What I love about being on set is a sense of everyone working together to make a film or project or story. It's not essentially one person's vision. There's a whole engine of people, working towards that vision.
So Newport Rebels and Renaissance is a film by Kiefer Chan which really celebrates the art community of Newport in all of its variety, and that's the beauty of Newport, it's such a variety.
Today I'm working as a camera trainee. I found out about this role online and I wanted to come here today because I've been interested in camera work, done little bits of it in the past, and I wanted to give it a proper go.
I'm really interested in the production side of filmmaking anyways, but it's also just, I think, my favourite part to see all the different pieces of a film come together the most. I think that's my favourite part. So the opportunity to do that where I live was another one, and get involved in the arts community doing that at home as well was the big motivation for me.
This film is really important to us at Film Cymru because it's about celebrating the creativity of Newport, all the brilliant creatives here, all the different people who work in Newport and creative industries, and we're really excited to be celebrating that today. This film is partly funded by our Foot in the Door scheme, which is running in Newport this year, which is a really exciting project that we have running lots of different skills courses and workshops, and we have 5 trainees on this film that are supported through that scheme.
I've really enjoyed today so far. The experience has been really good. It's completely different to anything I've done before. The crew are lovely and I've had a really nice time, and it was really good lunch.